One of the questions that I receive is how is Docket different from some of the existing landscape softwares? There are two things that the account executive absolutely need. The first part is everything to do with the sales process itself or the deal intelligence, and the other part is the product knowledge. Account executive needs both. But the good thing is, if they are an experienced seller, they already know these things. The flip side is the product intelligence. That is very unique to your company. So if you look at a lot of the companies that you are already aware of in the sales tech, they are mostly taking care of the deal process side, the deal intelligence, the risk signals, things like that, everything to do with the deal. Docket on the flip side is taking care of everything on the product knowledge side. So think of Docket as a sales engineer. And what a sales engineer is doing, it's very different from what a Gong is providing today. Docket, the way it comes across is it has the understanding of the product, the landscape, the value propositions, the ROI, the internal processes that is needed from a sales engineering standpoint. And it enables the account executive with the product knowledge to keep moving the deals forward.